today I am trying out this paper. It is glittered. It comes with 3 transfer sheets, and then I also gonna iron these patches on. I printed out my image, and this is the paper. It comes out really pretty and glittery. And I also have my vinyl, my iron-on glitter vinyl to print out the wording. So it's going to have girlfriend in the back, and then EST 2005 under the picture. Alright, so now that I got my wording and everything together, I'm about to print it out. And you want to make sure you mirror the image due to the fact it won't print out right. So make sure you mirror anything that you're putting on the shirt. And then these letters came from Hobby Lobby. They're called embroidered letters. So you can they have like a sticky back, so you can just stick them to the shirt and then iron it on, and it's like adhesive that will make it stick. So that's what I'm doing now, and then I'm also going to weed out the wording that's going to go on the shirt that I showed you previously. Then I'm going to iron everything on the shirt. So now I'm just going to be placing everything on the shirt. Of course, you want to get all the wrinkles out before you press anything on there. And this is the final result. I must say I do like that transfer paper. It's dark iron-on transfer paper. I will have the link in the description box. But I do like it. It's glittery and it looks really good on a shirt.